Okay, so now we're looking at the same type of equation, okay, variables on both sides, but we are going to get to that final step of isolating the variable or getting the variable by itself. So in this case, the answer will look something like n equals some number, okay? So if we start working this out, we have to remember our 8th grade step. Our 8th grade step was to find the rate on the right side of the equation, 2n, and eliminate it from there. So what could you do with 2n to eliminate it or to make it 0? We can subtract 2n from there. So I'm going to space over so that I'm all lined up with my n's. I want to make sure my rates are lined up and my constants are lined up. So minus 2n would happen there on the right side, and then you would also do it on the left side, because what you do to one side, you got to do to the other side. Okay, so now since my n's are lined up, I know what I'm subtracting from. I know that this 6 is my constant and nothing is happening to that. So I'm just going to move it down. But now I have a math problem, okay? My math problem is 4n minus 2n. 4n minus 2n equals what? 2n, positive 2n. So let me type that instead of writing it like that so that it's neater. Positive 2n. Maybe, hold on. Positive, try this again with this lovely technology. Come on, Miss Boudreaux. Get it together. Positive 2n. Okay, then my equal sign follows down to the next step always. I have 2n minus 2n. 2n minus 2n cancels out. It eliminates. And then we're left with negative 18 on the right side. Okay, once you get to this step, you're on to the 7th grade level problem. So we are working on getting our constant to be eliminated from the left side. Okay, so what can we do with 6 to make sure that it cancels out from the left side? We can subtract 6 from it to get 0. Subtract 6. If you subtract 6 from one side, you have to subtract 6 to the other side. Okay, so now 6 minus 6 cancels out, makes 0. So we have 2n equals, and then I have another math problem to do, negative 18 and negative 6, or negative 18 minus 6, which will get me negative 24. Okay, so now this 2 is being multiplied by n. Okay, so what can I do to make it equal 1? Well, you can divide it by itself. And the whole reason I want it to be 1 is because then I have 1n, or just n, which was my goal, equals, what is negative 24 divided by 2? Negative 24 divided by 2, negative 12. N equals negative 12. Okay, so step by step. I will do the next one with you as well a little bit quicker.